Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new blog video. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you in my morning work. Okay, so as you can see, actually you can see now I am standing here and our paddy field, as you can see. So now I am watering our paddy field, as you can see. So watering by the pipe, and those side our machine actually before 1 hour ago our machine started. Okay, so now I am watering our paddy field and rice field. So actually I am learning in English in beginner level. Okay, so that is why whenever I go to any kind of place, I make video in English. Okay, so dear friends, actually English is a very important language, so that is why I learn speak in English. And actually I love to speak in English, and also I love to video make in English. Okay, so dear friends, so this is the big field on paddy field, and so very amazing paddy field and look like very clean and amazing scenery. And our village, so very small village and very good, very amazing scenery and paddy field. So all around side, and another side, this is the corn plant, and corn field also very good. So actually today I am not ready to video make because my hand actually still muddy soil, so that is why I am not ready to video make. And actually dear friends, our paddy field, after a few days ago I have come here. Actually I was visit our paddy field, and today I came here our paddy field. Okay, so when I visit this paddy field, and so many wet actually grass. Okay, so tomorrow we will wet grass in our paddy field, because this grass actually very harmful in crops. Okay, so dear friends, nowadays I can't make vlog video in English, so that is why our English, actually my English, when I speak English, lagging and shyly, and so it's the natural way. Actually this is the problem, my problem. When I speak English, I can't think any vocabulary. This is my big problem when I speak English, and unfortunately forgot it any vocabulary. But what can I say? And so this is the problem. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.